Viewers, I am Surya from Surya Stack. Today we are going to learn how to open Acer E1-510 model. You see, Acer E1-510. You see the model number, right? For this, we have to open. Please observe carefully. For any laptop, before opening all the components, we must remove battery. So we can remove the battery like this. After removing the battery, I am going to open DVD writer. You see, DVD writer screw is here. Now I am going to open hard disk. Remove the screw for hard disk cabin. For hard disk, there will be one more screw here. We have to remove this one. Just slide this, it will come out. After this, we have to open complete screws of bottom base. There are a lot of screws here. We have to remove all the screws, including this one, which is not visible here. Please see here. This one, and including this warranty seal screws also. I am going to remove all screws one by one. Once all the screws removed, then we have to separate top cover from the bottom base. You see, I removed all the screws now. Now just take the laptop. See, now with this separator, I am going to separate the panel. Once it's released, we should not open directly because there are cables connected to the motherboard. You see here, one is keyboard connector, and this one is touch panel, and this one is power connector. I am going to remove one by one. Power connector, keyboard connector, and touch panel connector. Now it can be separated. Yes, this has come out, right? Now I am going to remove motherboard also, because we are going to disassemble the laptop completely. To remove this motherboard, we have to remove all the connectors. This one is USB extended connector, right? And here is the speaker connector, and this one is mic connector, this one is power connector, and this one is LCD connector. You remove this Wi-Fi cord also by removing this screw. Okay, now we have disconnected all the cables. Now we have to remove screws. One is here, one is near battery, and one is at fan. So I am removing the screws. We have removed all the screws. Now we will try to pick up the board. You see, we have removed the motherboard. So we have disassembled the Acer E1-510 model completely. Even Acer E1-570 also the same model. Thank you.